This is the house at 15204 Canary. It's pretty large. Numbers could use some adjustment. Looks like they're cut out of slate. Okay, it's all stucco. It's a wooden garage door. It's just totally stucco. There's not really any stone. It's really got a nice entry porch. And a Cantera metal and glass door. Art niche at the entry. And there is a closet. And apparently right here is another closet. So 2 closets as you enter. And you go to the back and you have a den with a fireplace. It'll be a wood burning fireplace. Breakfast area, so there's a breakfast bar and 1 dining space. It's got a really pretty kitchen with a big pantry, granite countertops, and stainless appliances. And then there is a laundry room with a butler's pantry with a sink and a hookup for the washer and dryer. And the 2-car garage, which has a super tall ceiling. And then on this lower floor, there is 1 bedroom. And it has 2 closets on that wall and a full bath, bathtub and a sink. And then another bedroom. That door is very creaky. It needs some WD-40. Then you go upstairs. And at the top of the stairs, there's a game room. And this game room has a landing, actually. Here, it's a pretty big landing. Then it has this massive game room with 3 doors. 1 door goes to the side patio, and the other door goes to the front patio. And there is a half bath in this room. So you don't have a half bath on the bottom floor, you have the half bath on the upper floor. Then this patio off from these 2 doors is huge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 feet by 21 feet. This patio that's on the front. Then you can go across at the top of the stairs and you have the entrance to the other patio, which is even bigger because it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 13 feet wide, and it is the length of a house almost. It's 13 by 52. This is just huge. And it has doors onto both game rooms. So there's a game room at the front of the house. And then when you go toward the back of the house, there's another game room. So then there's this game room. And off from this game room, and maybe you could put an entrance coming in over here and move this entrance, you have, I'm sorry, that's the bedroom. What am I thinking? That's the master bedroom. It's huge. It looks like a game room. So here's the master bedroom closet, which is again another huge room. So this bathroom, double sinks, separate shower, garden tub. There's a hidden potty. This is the master, not another game room. And the master has the doors onto the deck, that outdoor covered patio area. And that covers the upper and lower floor. So on the upper floor, there's a bedroom, a game room, a full bath, and a half bath, and 2 huge covered patios. So I'm going to go in the back and let you see the backyard. Now the covered space is on the upper floor. So in the backyard, you have a retaining wall that kind of closes off part of the yard. It doesn't have a fence, but it has that retaining wall. I believe the yard is on that upper level also, so you would need to mow that part. But it has a big patio here. And that completes the tour of the Canary house. And it does have a tall roof.